What's going on, guys? Rocho with another video, and thank you guys so much again for tuning in. Right behind me, you already know, my 2017 Toyota Tacoma. In today's video, we're going to be installing the all-new Rago Fabrication center console modular system. As you can see, we got the model.
Here you go,
Jerry.
right here.
What this system allows you to do is it allows you to put any type of small gear that you want to carry and have literally right next to you, whether it's a flashlight, whether it's a first aid kit, and many other options. So enough said, let's get installed. So to get started, we're gonna start by removing the shift knob, and all you have to do is just turn it. Second step, all we're gonna be doing is just prying up the center console. It should pop right up. It should have a couple of clips here. And then on the passenger side, there will be a small little connector. All you have to do is just push it down and take it out, just like that. Now we can actually pull this whole piece out. All right, so once you pull out the console, keep in mind you will also have to remove the leather piece that holds the brake in place. Just go ahead and just wiggle it around. All right, so up next, we're gonna grab the panel, which looks something like this. We're gonna go ahead and place it. We're gonna make sure that it's nice and lined up to the side of this panel here. And now all we're gonna be doing is you can use a Sharpie, you can use a screwdriver. You're gonna mark exactly where you want them, and we're gonna just go ahead and drill into that panel. All right, so now all we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the hardware provided, we're gonna grab our modular system, we're gonna place it on top of the OEM panel, and we're gonna screw it in place. So what I do recommend before you put your center console back into place is give it a good clean, you know. These cup holders definitely do get, you know, gunk and juice, whatever you drink in the morning. And give it a good scrub down, put some soap, get it nice and cleaned, and put it back into place. All right, Jerry, the last piece of the puzzle, bro.
There it is, the bridge going in. Yep.
All right, Jerry, what do you think, bro?
Dude, that looks sick. Okay, it's mounted good, solid, no rattling. It's good.
What would you use it for?
What I use it for, let me see, cup holder, fry holder.
So as you can see here, guys, when it comes down to mounting points, the options are endless. For now, I decided to just mount a small medical kit that I carry on my truck at all times. It carries everything from gauze, Tylenol, band-aids, alcohol wipes, pretty much anything that you would need on the go. I also carry a bigger medical kit that's in the rear portion of my truck. When it comes down to the driver's side, I'm keeping it pretty simple for now. I do have a pelican light, a small knife. Now when it comes down to the top portion of the modular system, you can definitely put anything from a phone mount, from an iPad mount, to even a cup holder. So the options, like I said, are endless. So I'm gonna throw this product in this video just because I've been using this product for a while now as a coin holder. This is by a company called MesoCustom. They pretty much make anything from interior lighting to small accessories that will definitely make the cab a lot more accessible, a lot more useful. And he made this little cubby hole that goes in this little area here. As you can see here, the Tacoma has a weird little box here. It basically almost has no use. I mean, I usually catch myself putting coins in there, or if I go to McDonald's and I order the old school orange juice in a box, it seems to fit pretty okay in there. But for the most part, it's usually empty. Now, ever since I got this little coin holder from MesoCustom, I usually just have it in here, and as you can see here, it fits nice and perfect. It definitely does give the truck a nice OEM look, and honestly guys, you guys know that if you have coins inside these cup holders, they can definitely make a lot of noise. So the fact that they go in here and stay away from the cup holders definitely makes it a lot useful. You can always take it off if you want, if you're gonna be pouring the coins in your hand. I don't know. I just like it. I think it's a great product, and I figured why not just throw it in since we're already talking about the interior and we're talking about the Rago Fabrication modular system. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions regarding this product, let me know. Feel free to shoot me a message on Instagram, shoot me an email. And if you guys want to know more about the product without asking me questions, I'll be putting all the info, well, you already know, down below in the bio. Check it out. You'll be surprised. These guys carry some quality product. And guys, the truck is probably about 80% done right now. I'm actually at the shop getting the final touches done, so definitely stay tuned. If you guys have Instagram, check out my Instagram, BustedBeGeorge. I'll be putting a bunch of updates on my Instagram, so stay tuned. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.